Hey guys, so quick video for you for the Myfunded futures and what you need to know for trading. So first thing first, basic payout requirements, you must have 5 winning days. So this is very important. Now then, also each winning day must be plus $100 or more, and you can have like weekly payouts if you hit like $100 a day consistently. So then you can have also the minimum and maximum withdrawal, which are also important things to be aware of. So the minimum withdrawal is $250 and maximum withdrawal is $1K. And you cannot withdraw more than $1,000 on the standard core account. And then you can have also the drawdown. So for the core account that you're going to see like 50K here, account size. So after requesting a payout, account drawdown resets to $50K, $100 on 50K account. So let's say you make $500 profit and you cannot withdraw $500. You can withdraw only $400 to get to the 50K 100. Does it make sense? So it's important to say is like, do not take the payout early, all right? Though now, like you have also the new update. So for the new update, you can have flex add-on. So you still need the 5 days, but now you can withdraw 50% of net profits. So up to $3,000 maximum per payout dollars. So let's say you're gonna make 2K, you can withdraw 1K. Let's say you're gonna make 6K, or you can withdraw maximum 3,000. And how is the profit split? You have 80%, they have 20%. So that's something that you have to be aware of. And for the core account, does not have any day loss limit, as you can see right here, which is a great benefit. But yes, you have like the max drawdown, but you don't have the daily loss limit, so which can be great for you. And also you can allow to trade news releases. And yeah, if you want to get also like a discount, write me down below in the comments. You can have like a discount down below in the description. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.